Have you ever walked into a room and felt an immediate sense of calm? Where every texture and tone feels like it was curated just for you. There is something undeniably magical about the modern farmhouse aesthetic, a perfect, soulful bridge between the rustic, enduring spirit of the countryside and the clean, breathable lines of contemporary living. It isn't just a look, it's an invitation to slow down and create a home that feels both grounded and refreshingly light. Today, we are stripping away the intimidation of high-end interior design to show you how achievable this transformation truly is. We are diving into simple, high-impact DIY home upgrades that breathe new life into your space without the need for a total overhaul. From the foundational charm of your living area to selecting the perfect office furniture that balances professional function with cozy, farmhouse-inspired comfort, we have the blueprints you need to make your vision a reality. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your journey toward creating a more intentional home, you're in the right place. We're moving beyond the trends to show you how to layer the right decor and subtle rustic elements to build a space that truly reflects who you are. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's start the process of turning your house into the sanctuary you've always imagined. Setting the foundation. The living room is the heartbeat of the home. To achieve that quintessential farmhouse aesthetic, start by balancing neutral tones, think soft whites, creams, and warm greys, with natural textures like exposed wood beams or a reclaimed wood coffee table. Introduce cozy textiles, such as chunky knit throws and linen pillows, to soften the space. Remember, modern farmhouse design thrives on the less is more philosophy. Choose a few impactful pieces that tell a story rather than cluttering the room. The heart of hospitality. In the kitchen, the goal is to blend functionality with soul. Swap out dated hardware for matte black or brushed brass fixtures to instantly elevate your cabinetry. If you're feeling bold, an open shelving concept allows you to display neutral stoneware and glass jars, bringing that airy, rustic feel to the forefront. For the dining area, a trestle table paired with a mix of farmhouse-style chairs or a wooden bench creates an inviting space for gatherings that feel both elevated and intimate. Your rustic retreat. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary. To master modern farmhouse decor, focus on creating a serene environment. Layer your bedding with high-quality linens in earthy, muted colors. A statement headboard, whether it's tufted fabric for comfort or a repurposed antique door for visual impact, can ground the room. Keep lighting soft and ambient with vintage-inspired lanterns or industrial-style sconces to wrap the room in a gentle, relaxing glow. productive and inspired. Work doesn't have to feel like a chore when your space is thoughtfully designed. When selecting office furniture, look for pieces that bridge the gap between utility and style. A sturdy, solid wood desk paired with a comfortable, ergonomic chair creates the perfect balance. Use woven baskets for hidden storage to keep surfaces clean and focused. By integrating natural greenery and a touch of farmhouse-inspired wall art, you turn a functional workspace into a place that fosters creativity. Bringing the charm outdoors. Your farmhouse style shouldn't stop at the back door. Extend that warm, rustic vibe to your garden with simple DIY upgrades. Think galvanized metal planters, string lights draped overhead, and a comfortable seating area made from pallet wood or weathered teak. Whether it's a small balcony or a sprawling yard, incorporating elements of nature like lavender, boxwoods, or even a small herb garden ties the entire home aesthetic together, creating a seamless flow from indoors to out. as we've explored today. Mastering the modern farmhouse look is all about finding the harmony between rustic character and modern simplicity. We've covered how to refresh your living spaces with warm, natural textures, how to choose office furniture that serves your productivity while elevating your design, and how to use intentional decor to tie your entire home together, from the heart of the kitchen to the quiet corners of your garden. Remember, the beauty of this style lies in the details. So don't be afraid to add pieces that tell your own story. If these DIY upgrades have inspired you to start a project of your own, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can continue this design journey with us. Give this video a like if you found these tips helpful, and share it with a friend who is ready to give their home a fresh, cozy update. We love building this community. So let us know in the comments below, which room are you planning to transform first? We can't wait to hear about your progress.